Confirmation is a reliable trading signal that provides a safe entry point. There are many different types of confirmations which depend on a trading style, trading time frame, and a trading strategy. In this video, I will share with you the 4 best confirmations that you can apply for trading any market, any time frame, and any trading strategy. Traders, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start. The first type of a confirmation is a price action confirmation. Imagine that you are a swing trader and you are looking for a price action confirmation to buy euro dollar. In order to buy with the confirmation, you should look for a pattern. Analyzing the price action on a daily time frame, we can spot that euro dollar formed a falling wedge pattern, and recently the price reached a very strong support. What can be your bullish confirmation here? Your bullish confirmation right here will be a bullish breakout of the resistance of the wedge. Bullish violation of that will give you a very strong price action confirmation, and most likely the price will go higher than. For more education, for more trading secrets and tips, do not forget to subscribe to my Instagram, the link in the description below. But what if you are a scalper and you want to short euro dollar? Then of course you analyze the minutes time frames, and there you are looking for a bearish price action pattern. You are looking for a bearish price action confirmation there. On the 30 minutes time frame, we can spot that euro dollar formed one more rising wedge pattern. And for you, a bearish confirmation to open a scalping short trade will be a bearish breakout of the support of that wedge. That will give you a nice scalping signal and a nice bearish price action confirmation. Traders who use price action analysis for confirmation look for patterns and formations to make decisions about buying or selling the asset. And there are a lot of different patterns that you can apply for confirmation. There are various bullish patterns, bearish patterns, and there are a lot of patterns that signify the indecision on the market. If you want to trade with the price action confirmation, your task is to learn to recognize these patterns and to properly apply them for your entries. The second type of confirmation is candlestick patterns. Imagine that you are bullish on Aussie dollar pair and you want to open a long position on a daily time frame. You spotted that the market reached a very important horizontal support, and you assume that from that support the pair will grow. What can be your candlestick confirmation in such a situation? Your confirmation will be a formation of a bullish candlestick pattern. And if we zoom in the chart and analyze the candlesticks here, we can spot a very nice example of the rejection candle. You can see that this candle has a very long wick, and the price formed that wick after the test of that support. It signifies a strong bullish pressure from that, and it can be your very strong bullish signal to buy Aussie dollar pair and expect a bullish continuation. And if you're a scalper and if you're looking for a bearish candlestick signal, for you the best bearish confirmation will be a formation of a bearish candlestick pattern. Take a look here. The price tested a strong resistance, and after the formation of that resistance, the price formed a bearish engulfing candle. That is the bearish confirmation pattern. That pattern indicates the strength of the sellers, and for you it can be the signal to open short position. If you apply the candlestick chart, candlestick patterns can be the reliable source of important information for you. The shape of a candlestick, the size of its body, and its wick may compose the pattern that may indicate a highly probable bullish or bearish continuation. Such candlestick formations can be very reliable trading confirmations. The third type of the best confirmations is fundamental news. Imagine that you are bullish on gold and you want to buy. Fundamentals can give you a strong confirmation. Open the economic calendar and check the important US news. You can see that we have the non-farm payrolls report coming and the unemployment data. And the bad figures in the economic calendar, bad unemployment news can be your strong bullish confirmation. It can give you a very strong signal to buy, and after that probabilities will be high that the price will keep growing. At the same time, positive US unemployment data can be a very bearish signal for pound dollar pair. So if you want to short pound dollar and if you're looking for confirmation, positive US unemployment data will give you a very best signal to short. With the fundamental analysis, you analyze various factors that affect the price of an asset that you trade. Type of confirmations number 4. Technical indicators. There are a lot of different indicators that can be applied as bullish or bearish confirmations. One of the examples is the application of two moving averages. The crossover of two moving averages, the simple and the exponential one, can give you a very reliable bullish signal and a very strong bearish signal. And the application of a relative strength index, the RSI, may give you a strong bearish confirmation. Just look for a bearish divergence that will indicate a highly probable bearish continuation. There are a lot of different technical indicators. Being applied properly, a technical indicator can give you a very strong entry signal. When you trade the financial markets, your task as a trader is to learn to combine different confirmations. For example, in my trading, I apply the price action confirmations and the candlestick confirmations. And more confirmations you apply, higher is the accuracy of your predictions. And once you define the list of confirmations that you rely on, once you know what exactly you are looking for trading entries, that will be your trading strategy. Let me know, traders, in the comment section what type of confirmation do you prefer. Also, if you want to learn how to trade, do not forget to check my premium educational group, the link in the description below. Traders, thanks for watching and do not forget to check my other videos.